you for having me to speak on behalf of many families that COVID has impacted. Um, from my experience with this program, you guys have helped me so much with the last 3 months that I was in the program with you guys. Um, I was impacted by COVID. I had lost my job. I was pregnant while I lost my job. My job closed down because there wasn't enough revenue, footwork to make up for lost revenue. So I didn't qualify for unemployment. Um, like I said, I was pregnant. I have a 6-year-old daughter. I was living off of my last paycheck. I was working part-time, so it was like a $300 paycheck. And I had to make it stretch for 3 months until one of my close friends had referred me to you guys. Um, I was on my last dollar. I was living off of, masticholi boxes and noodles and making it stretch for many days. Oh, I'm sorry. um, when I had got introduced with you guys, I was lost for hope. Um, it was so bad. I was in a depression, finding resources
Yeah.
and everything. So you guys have helped me a lot.
Yeah.
You have helped my children. Nobody should be going to bed, hungry, worrying about what's the next meal. I was almost going to be evicted. You guys have helped me with the next month's rent. It gave me space, gave me time to figure things out. You know, my daughter has a room to sleep, a bed to lay her head on. We have a roof over our head with heat, things to use. We have light, electricity on, things to use. So this program, it didn't just help me. I know it helps so many other females, so many males with their children, little infants, toddlers.
Yeah.
And it's
Yeah.
just, this program needs to be funded more so that nobody has to worry about next month's rent. Nobody has to worry about when am I gonna have something different for dinner than having this every day. So this program means a lot to me. It's close to my heart. I know specifically women that you guys help, and it has helped them tremendously. And I thank all of you um, for the support you give us, single mothers too, because I was at a very bad time where I lost everything. I was ready to, this is personal, but I was ready to sign my daughter over to her father because I felt I couldn't provide for her. And you guys have given me the resources to stand ground. And I just want to say thank you.